6 ways to double your income. In this video, I'm going to share with you how can you accelerate your income. If you are someone who's been thinking to grow your income in your career, then this video is for you. Hi, my name is Rajat Chawla. I'm Asia's first certified customer experience professional on a mission to help people accelerate their growth by learning digital and customer experience skills. If you are someone who's been thinking about accelerating growth, accelerating income, and not been able to figure out, here are the 6 ways in which you can do. And I can talk from my experience. Number one thing is actually be ready to change your industry. Anyways, it's been said that 40 to 50% of the employees may have to reskill, which means they have to learn new technologies, new skills in order to stay relevant. Now, if you are someone who has been really working towards finding a growth career, then this is the right time. You could get into digital, you could get into information technology, or any other industry which is fast growing. Many years back, I wanted to grow my income and I found IT, the information technology, was the growth industry, and I started to upskill myself, train myself, learn new skills, and within 6 months, I was able to get a really good break where I doubled my income by learning those skills and positioning myself. Of course, you will need to work hard. You will need to relook at your profile and position accordingly in the market. And that's what I cover as part of our digital customer experience masterclass. I leave the link below. If you want to be part of that, you can look at the details. The number 2 skill is to, in order to double your income, is to find the golden spot, which is following the money. There are certain specific roles, there are certain profiles, and again we talked about the industries. There are certain industries where people are seeing inflow of money. Long time back, Warren Buffett gave an advice for investing that follow the money. Where there is money going, start to build your profiles and skills towards that. That is going to be a short way, because these industries and these skills will be naturally high paying. I was talking to one of my friends who moved from one industry to another, and he told me, in spite of the perception of pandemic, he got significant hike, and people are getting 70 to 80% hike even during these recession times. So follow the money. The next thing is build your personal profile. How do you do that? By building yourself, by building the skills, by investing in yourself. I have been investing in myself from last couple of years in order to stay relevant. And every few months, I invest in myself so that I am always relevant and I'm continuously building my capabilities. Because once you invest in yourself, that is a solid investment that you take into any job and any career. And with that, you will also be able to really be swift and move into the industries which you think are relevant for you. Within your career also, some of these investments in your personal growth are going to pay off significantly. And for that, I would also suggest you to continue to understand yourself, your unique talents and your unique strengths, so that you're not really working on your just going around following others. A lot of people I see try to be like someone else, while your personality, your strengths and talents are unique. You need to figure out a unique way of leveraging those rather than trying to be a copy of others. Be an original of yourself. Number 4 is create value. Be valuable wherever you are. Naturally, the more value you create in the job, in the roles you are, more you will be seen as indispensable, you will be paid more, and naturally you will attract more opportunities. And how do you do that? By looking at how can you add more customers, how can you add more profit. And here I'm going to give you a simple rule, which is 50x rule, which means depending on your salary, see if you can add 50 times more value, leveraging the capabilities, the brand of the organization you're working in. The moment you're able to do that, naturally, people will be happy to pay you more and will look at you as someone who is actually a valuable asset. And valuable asset attracts more income, right? Then the fifth is develop your leadership skills. Not just building your own personal strength, but also developing others by looking at how can you help others grow. The more you help others grow, the more you will be actually creating opportunities of growth for the entire organization and ecosystem. And you will also grow as a leader. The strongest leader is someone who can create more leaders, right? So develop others. That's going to be a substantial capability that can attract more income. And naturally in the hierarchy, if you're able to develop people, then you are naturally going to gravitate towards the higher rungs in the hierarchy, isn't it? And the sixth is build a brand. Building a brand is a sure shot way of differentiating yourself. Of how do you build a brand on credibility? That you're credible, that what you say is what you do, that you bring in quality, and you differentiate yourself on high income skills. Build those high income skills. What are those? Some of them could be digital skills, some of them could be sales and marketing skills, and some of that we teach. We teach digital skills and we teach customer experience skills. I'll leave the link below for you to be able to know more about our program. And in order to get in touch with me, you can even drop an email to me at rajat@koyopo.com if you want to know more about how can I help you in specific ways, especially by helping you build relevant digital and customer experience skills, which are one of the highest in demand skills right now. So let me recap again, is that if you want to grow your income and double your income in the shortest period of time, then be open to change your industry, but don't make drastic moves. Do a calculative, well thought, well planned move into a new industry. Sometimes this jump can accelerate your income quite quickly. Then second is find the golden spot, follow the money where there is more money, and build your personal profile. Build yourself, know your strengths and build your profile and positioning around that. Create more value in your industry, in your role, in your job. Focus on bringing more customers and profits. Sometimes you may not be directly related to sales or marketing. Even then, always have a mindset of how can I bring more customers? Then develop leadership skills and be open to develop others. Sometimes people want to contain the knowledge with themselves. Be open to share and help others grow, and you will naturally move in the hierarchy upwards and build a brand on credibility, on quality, and differentiate yourself by building digital skills, by building customer experience skills specifically, so that you have a strong brand and differentiation. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. I'm grateful that you're watching these videos. I'm very keen to have your comments below as to what else will help you accelerate your growth and how can I support you in your journey. Thanks for being there.